Hey there folks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hole in a shape using the basic rectangle that we used last time. So let me look for easy rectangle. There we go. And there's a couple different ways. So you can go up here and hit create sketch, and let's say it needs to be a circle. So I'm going to select the circle tool. The hotkey for it is just C, and then let's say it needs to be right here, and it needs to be 0.721. So I'm going to select that, and you just type stuff in the way that you normally would. There's other options here, but I don't think you're going to need any other ones if you're watching these tutorials. And I didn't mean to click that, and then you just hit finish sketch. So you could come down here, press extrude, or you could hit the hotkey, which is E, and just, let's say I need it to come down an inch. So then I'll take it, make it come down an inch, and it'll leave a hole. Now the operation will automatically be to cut. If you need to, for some reason, make it a new body, a new component, you need to join it or intersect it, you can select those, but we're just going to leave it at cut. Or you can do a thin extrude, which will just taper around it, but we're just going to leave it at normal extrude and cut a hole through the shape. And there we go. Now we got our 1-inch hole in the shape. Now another way is to just come up here, hit this hole tool, which the hotkey is H, select the face we need it to be on, and we need it to be right there. Now we can move this around, we can change the depth, can't change the height, we can change the depth, we can change how big it is, how small it is, and anything that you normally would. You can add counterbores, you can countersink, you can add clearances, you can tape it, you can taper tape it, and then you can angle it, you can leave it flat. It's completely up to what you need. You can change the threads for different necessities, the size of the threads, whatever you'd need. And you can also do multiples from a sketch, but for that we'd need to open up this sketch, select it, and then we can do this. So we're just going to leave it with right here, and just click OK. And you can see that there's threads in there. I think it was on PVC pipe that was just the automatic one. And yeah, that's how you make a basic hole in Fusion.